I am Shaun Borromeo. I'm a second year student taking up international hospitality management with a specialization in culinary arts. If this dish talked to me on my first day in culinary school, it would probably tell me that growth takes patience. The person I was in day one only saw cooking as passion. Culinary school is not what I really expected when I was applying during high school. I honestly thought that it was merely about cooking and baking, but when I really stepped into the kitchen, I realized it was also about discipline, teamwork, time management, and handling pressure. I think the one mistake that I had was maybe doubting myself a lot. These were moments I thought I wasn't really good enough compared to others, but through the experiences that I got, I learned to be more confident, to trust myself and my skills more, and keep improving instead of just comparing myself to others. I think that the cost curriculum forces you to be disciplined and detail oriented, but at the same time, it pushes you to be creative while still having respect for the ingredients. The chefs teaches us that cooking is not just about making dishes look good, but also about understanding flavors, techniques, and treating every ingredient with care and purpose. As much as Enderun provides a supportive environment, it also exposes us to real industry standards, high expectations, and professional experiences. The school has challenged me to become more adaptable, communicate professionally, and prepare for the fast paced reality of the hospitality industry. And I think these are skills that have really helped me prepare for my internship and future career.